Good morning, everybody. I'm Vicki from Star Stuff Travel. If you've seen the last few days, I've been here at Margaritaville Resort in Orlando. So I just wanted to give you a little extra tour of the lobby area and pool this morning. So don't mind me, I just walked around the property a few miles to get some exercise in. Have to work off those margaritas somehow. So I'm actually standing outside of the property in the front, so where you would drive in. So I just wanted to show you that. So this is what you see when you first walk in. I'm going to be walking up as I'm going here. This is where you would drive in. As I'm walking up the hill, I wanted you to see that right over there through those bushes is the water park right on property. We were there yesterday, had a blast. And if you stay on property here, you do get a discount on the tickets, and you could buy them right in the lobby. So it makes it nice and convenient. I did learn yesterday that you do need to bring your own towels to the water park. We did not, but luckily it was so hot and we're so close, we were just able to walk right back. My room is actually right over here in this building on the second floor, so I'm really convenient to everything. They do have parking on property, so if you drive in, if you're local, or if you fly in and you rent a car, they do have parking. So we're going into the lobby. I mean, it's a beautiful view. We did walk around, like I said, the whole property today. We've gotten a few miles, so it was nice. So this is the lobby here. Hopefully you'll still be able to hear me. I'm putting my mask on because you do need it to come in. This is probably one of the most beautiful lobbies I've ever seen. So when you walk into the lobby, over there is where you would check in. So that's hotel check-in and some cottage check-in. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. They're all upside down margarita glasses. I love it here. You have a swing right here, True Jimmy style, and that's the, there's the concierge desk right there. Lost you for a second there. And that's where you would get the water park tickets, where they can help you get tickets to any of the other parks if your travel agent doesn't get them for you ahead of time, or if you don't have them ahead of time. The resort here also offers free shuttles to the major theme parks, which is very nice. So we're just gonna come around this way. Every Margaritaville resort or hotel that I've stayed in has this amazing smell to it, and you can actually buy it in the gift shop. When we were in Margaritaville in Hollywood Beach last summer, I actually bought it, and I love the spray. I spray it through the house. You know, every day I give a little spritz, things like that. So if you go back that way, there's some elevators to take you to one side of the hotel. And back over where we first came in were my elevators to get to my room. And so this is something new and cute. Mascot Margaritaville, and they actually put a mask on the flip-flop. Pretty much everybody that stays here takes a picture in front of it because it's just something that you do. They have the Margaritaville Store over here, which obviously is a gift shop where you can get anything and everything that you need Margaritaville. Back in the corner over there is Euphoria. It is a restaurant and slash bar. Last night they did have live music. They have live music Tuesday till I believe it's Saturday or Sunday. And there were two guys playing acoustic guitars, and they were very good. And if you come over here, you have your little provisions. You can get anything, you know, from drinks and snacks and little pizzas, and you can get your wine and your water and stuff like that. So, and then I'm just gonna take you one more place. I do a lot of hills and stairs on these videos, so holding on to be very careful. So again, this is the main lobby of the hotel, and it's, again, hotel style rooms. And they also have the cottages, which I did a video from yesterday to show you what they look like. The cottages are great because they have multiple bedrooms, so if you are staying with a large family or a group of friends, they're perfect. They have full kitchens, They have everything you need. Some of them have private pools, some have hot tubs, all depends on where you stay. So right over there is a bar, On Vacation bar. Yesterday they had a drink special in the afternoon. Then I'm going to take you down to the pool area. Let me speed up a little bit and walk faster. So there is one big main pool right over here. And then behind my room, there was another more quiet pool. If you want to like keep it, you know, more relaxed for the day. Over here, walking through, and so we use our wristbands for everything here to get into our room, to get into the pool area. It is also set up for charge to my room, which makes it nice so you don't have to worry about having, you know, room keys on you or money. So this is the pool area. So people are getting a head start out here today. We'll be out here today too. We're fortunate enough to have a cabana for the day, and I think we'll need it because the sun is brutal today, and that's coming from someone who loves the sun. But so you can see there's a little hot tub area back there, pool area here, 0 entries, so you just walk right in. Just giving you a heads up, if you do come with families, there's no slides at the pools here. You do have the water park over there, but no actual slides in the pool. So I noticed yesterday this side was a little bit more quiet than this side of the pool. They have the Salty Rim Bar and Grill, so you can get some drinks and food by the pool. And yesterday afternoon they had some live music. So, I mean, we are in Margaritaville, so everything is music here. And then back in the corner over there, they have another towel spot, and there's a ping pong table. We've noticed big checkerboard pieces, things like that. So stuff to do. So this is the pool, and as you can see back there, there's the cottages. So, and on the other side here of the pool, they do have sand. So you're not at the beach, but at least you get that little sand between your toes kind of feeling. Anyway, so this is Margaritaville Resort Orlando. That was the lobby and the pool. Just wanted to, you know, show you what it's like. If you have any questions or want any more information, just shoot me a message or leave a comment here. And other than that, have a great weekend, guys. Bye.